and clear across the board to be short.
Copy that. EMA's money flow indicator is confirmed by sell orders on the downside. 8/31/2015. 8:27:09 Eastern. 7:27:15. We have approached the daily level at 1971.50, trading ES near contract month 9/15. Now, since the move that tapped out just above the 15-minute level here in red on two high areas here at 76.70, but price has fallen off significantly. Most of the bid-ask distribution numbers that have come in are in the favor for the continued move to the short side. These prices will either get to and trade through the 71.50 for the next major move of the session on a third leg, or they will find 71.50 as support and then begin to trade to the upside. The dominant pending orders are still on the sell side of the market. 71.50 at 205, below that 155, 102, 119, 138, 151, and 208. So we'll see how this plays itself out. We'll cut the tape and pick it back up. Prices continue to move to the downside.
Orders to the downside still dominating.
Copy that. We're back on tape here for just a second. 8:34:40, 7:34:41 Central. Now this is what we were waiting for earlier to happen. Prices have traded to and through 71.50 at the preferred entry price of 71.25. Dominant order still exists, confirmed sells. Downside, current configuration through support on both fronts, MFI, CMF. Prices can hold on a minor retracement to the upside after hitting 1970 for incremental support at 71.25 or 71.50. There is a very good chance that prices could then continue to move to the downside. Mark, the good news is that you've got both SMI and MACD way at the upper region with the cross.
Copy that. On my money, on the 5-minute money flows, we are flat to down on MFI, oscillating flat to up on CMF. Everything else clear to be short on the 5 minutes. On the VMAs, we are not clear to be short at this point. Based on 5 seconds in isolation.
Copy that. I'm more than sure that the original 71.50 or 71.25 on the preferred entry was clear according to 5-second triple VMAs.
That was it.
Yeah. So once again, incremental target hit at 1970. At this point, we'd be looking for additional sell orders to come in, confirmed, in order to push the prices down to the next level. In this case, 69.25 based on the 15-minute support. Price is trading 1970 and 50 MTM, 1970 and 50.
I have an uptick on CMF to flat at resistance.
Copy that. This is what we spoke of earlier. The dominant orders still remain to the downside. This is our proprietary 5-second based off of time and sales confirmed orders here, well below the 200 category in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different cases. CMF MFI holding to the downside. SMI has increased momentum to the downside.
I now have a downtick on CMF, everything else cleared to be short on the 5 minutes.
Copy that. Test below 1970, now it's 69 and 75. Well, this is the higher possibilities of prices continuing to trade to the downside. I'm looking at 1103 on the up and 1262 on the down. And it looks like we may have something here. Sell just come in. What was the count on that sell? One?
It was 145.
150 and now over 150, yeah, and increasing to the downside. Copy that.
Now a confirmed cross in the triple VMA.
Okay, the support level at 69.25 was hit. A recommended limit order for the downside targets would have got you out at 69 and 25 for a clean exit after the rite of passage at 69 and 50.
Now I have an uptick on CMF, uptick on 5-second VMAs.
Some upward movement on 5-second VTC VMA, now leveling off. Retracing the momentum to the upside and ticking back down to second support level on 15 CMF. Pressure still to the downside, people, still to the downside.
Five-minute CMF still on an uptick. Above support.
Copy that. Price is trading at 1970 right now. There is a possibility if that level is held, then prices can continue to move to the downside, but the real money was made on the first leg out of the box through 71.50 on a daily level. Daily level identified, the free and clear down to 1970, and then the 15-minute level at 69.25.
Across the upside on the VMAs on the 5-second.
Yeah, and accumulation on the bid-ask coming in real strong right now, so
yeah,
more than likely prices are going to start to trade up now. The after effective large bid-ask. Yeah, there's your buy order that came in. So 2-point move this morning identified by our methods here at the Vector Traders Consortium. Marks and seller Jeff Killian in the room early AM. Once again now 8:42 AM Eastern Standard. Let's run the clock in. So after the in and out this morning, we walk with a 1.5 clean.
It's 375 for 5 contracts,
Copy that.
750 for 10, 1500 for 20. $37.50 for 50.
Good work on your end. Very good work. Thank you.
Problem.
We'll pick it up on the next session.